Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson feelings. The sense of sight is important for people who are born blind. Sense of touch is important. People who can't see communicate through the sign language. People who can't hear. Honking horns and people screaming are example of unpleasant sound. We are all different. Name the sense organ involved in each of the following situations. Watching the sunset. Eyes. Enjoying music. Ears. Eating an orange. Tongue. Walking on a rough surface. Skin. Detecting your favorite perfume. Nose. Next, answer the following questions. What are sense organs? Sense organs are the part of the body that help us know the world around us. Name the 5 sense organs. Write the function of each. The 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to taste, skin helps us to feel things. Write one way by which we can take care of our sense organs. Eat food items such as spinach, carrot, fish, eggs, etc. regularly to take care of our eyes. How do people who can't see read? The people who can't see or read, they use their fingers to guide them in their daily activities. They can also read books by touch with the help of a special script called Braille. List 3 things that can be done in case of an unsafe touch. 3 things that can be done in case of an unsafe touch are to say no, run away from them, tell an elder immediately. Okay? Next. Think and tick the correct options. Give reasons of your choice. The labels of the jars of sugars and salt have fallen off. Which 2 cents will help you put the correct label back? Smell and hearing, sight and smell, taste and touch, touch and hearing, taste and touch. Next, so this is a sight and smell. Okay, do you wish to take out your sweater from the cupboard, but it is dark? Which sense will help you? Sense of sight, sense of touch, sense of hearing, sense of taste. Sense of touch. Okay. So this is people who can't speak. Okay. Speak. Understood? For this, we finished our second chapter, feelings. Tomorrow we will see the third chapter, games are fun. Okay. Thank you.